There is nothing more vital than a dependable, cost-effective supply chain partner that you can trust. Here at Contracts Engineering, we pride ourselves on being able to deliver exactly that, time after time. As a result, we have become one of the most trusted names in our industry. All of our business comes from repeat clients who know that they will get a consistently high level of service every time. We are their onshore manufacturing partner. With a highly skilled workforce and state-of-the-art facilities, we have built up many years' experiences in designing and manufacturing specialist components and fabrications for a diverse range of industries. Contracts Engineering is equipped with the latest 3D CAD design systems and industrial processes, which enable us to model complex parts accurately and ramp up production from initial prototypes to regular production schedules before any part or assembly is manufactured.
Contracts Engineering has been around for just over 30 years. We've always been a company that manufactured and processed steel products for other companies. And then we purchased the business just over 10 years ago and have really changed the nature of what the business does. Now as a company, we only manufacture other companies' products, and we view ourselves as an onshore supply chain integration partner as opposed to a contract manufacturer.
And Contract Engineering is over 5 times larger than the business we bought 10 years ago. And the growth has come from investment in technology, software, training, skills, and enabling us to grow the markets, the end markets that we serve. We talk to our customers a lot. Our customer relationships tend to be long-term and strong, so it's really important that they understand how we work and the people that will be working on their products. And the same with Furnitubes, talking to our end market, so that's users, people use our products, so understanding how people use furniture, but also landscape architects, councils, developers, contractors. Making sure our products are as easy to use, as easy to install, and as easy to specify as possible is a critical part of our product development.
Contracts Engineering invest in their staff, and they invest in technology, and they also invest in the leadership team around them, so we have all the tools to ensure that our staff progress. The advances in technology can improve the supply chain management, as you can give accurate times and accurate dates to where you're going to be to your customer's requirement. It's so important that we get all them in place so we absolutely can determine where we're going to get, to the product where it's going to get, to the right person where it's going to be.
We are proud of our reputation for supplying consistently high-quality products, as our clients count on us for critical elements of their manufacturing processes. You can be sure that your goods will arrive on time, every time, thanks to our rigorous processes. Our production processes are fully integrated into our supply chain management system. This means we are able to monitor the progress of each job from start to finish, ensuring accurate delivery schedules and minimizing any potential delays. Our production volumes are scaling up as more companies decide to reshore parts of their supply chains. We have fully robotic, high-volume welding capabilities, and over the coming years, we're adding cobots and robots throughout our factory. As an onshore supply chain partner, we understand the importance of investing in our team and capabilities so that we scale along with our clients' requirements.
Supply chain is critical. We're working with raw materials, so for us, being able to access our raw materials when we need them is really important. So for Contracts Engineering, being able to access steel, to be able to buy steel, so when there have been slight disruptions in the supply chain, we've had to really be on top of that, make sure we've got very good relationships with our suppliers, and even when we've needed to forward buy steel so that we've got enough. For us, if we're not shipping each week, so shipping locally to the UK, that's a week that we're not invoicing and we're not billing. So supply chain is critical. It's the oil that keeps our machine going.
We have a passion for engineering and manufacturing and look forward to supporting our current and future clients' needs. Whether it's prototyping a new product for production, finding a new supply chain partner, or reshoring parts of your supply chain, you can rely on our experienced team to provide you with the highest levels of quality, service, and support.
We like to think of ourselves as having 2 different types of clients. We have the more commercial focused client who often needs some guidance. They might say, how much steel should we use, what thickness should we use, what types, what finishes, where should we weld, where shouldn't we weld, what sort of tooling might we need to make this product, or we want to do some prototyping of a product, so we support them. And as I say, we sort of take a front seat in the design side of that product, and the value engineering and the design for engineering side of that product, or design for manufacture rather. And then our other sort of 25 to a third of the business, where we're working with quite sophisticated, technically sophisticated companies, we're often taking the side seat or the shotgun seat, and then they're telling us what they need, and then we support their requirements around material certifications, welding certifications, certificates of conformity, and various industrial certifications required for their end market.